At Suncast, we create smart, stylish solutions for a better organized, more beautiful home, like this versatile horizontal shed. Perfect for any outdoor space, each unit is designed for easy installation, requiring few tools and minimal setup, thanks to our handy Easy Bolt technology. Once built, your new shed will be as sturdy as it is stylish, with weather-resistant resin construction to protect interior contents and eliminate any risk of rust or rot over the lifetime of the product. Each shed features a resin latch at the base of the unit to ensure closed doors stay closed, plus metal hinges to improve operation and performance. Easily lift the lid and keep it open using the included prop rod, so you can work hands and hassle-free. Perfect for any purpose and in any season, there's no end of organizational opportunities to explore with your new shed. From summer staples such as lawn and garden supplies to cold weather essentials including firewood and more. With the 3-door locking system, you can be sure contents will remain safe and secure all year long. The shed's low-profile design makes it perfect for any space, from big backyards to petite patios. Plus, it's available in multiple sizes and styles to suit any variety of tastes and needs. The horizontal shed. It's just another smart solution from Suncast.